Hello there, and welcome to Art Weekly Excellence Assembly on Friday the 26th of March. It's lovely and thank you for joining us as we celebrate what's been going on at Bethersden Primary School this week. We have had another incredible week of reconnection with our children, and they are still making us incredibly proud each and every single day. As always, we'll start our awards this week in Bumblebee class. Our first award this week is for Jackson, who joined us on Monday and has made a beautiful start to his life as a Bumblebee. The team have been so impressed, Jackson, with how you have involved yourself already and all the activities that have been going on. The team in the class love watching you form friendships and how you always like to help others. A big well done to you from Mrs Osborne, from Miss Finn and from Mrs Simmons. Our second award this week is for Owen, who's been a superstar with learning his sounds, and the team are blown away with your reading and your writing. They love watching you help your friends and how you always include everyone in the different games you play. A big well done to you from Miss Finn, Mrs Simmons and Mrs Osborne. Moving to our class this week. Our first award this week is for you, Phoebe Jane, who has had an excellent week in her learning. Your math learning has blown the team away, and from your number recognition to your knowledge of number bonds. You've been working well in reading writing excellence lessons, and you're really pushing yourself to improve and do well. Keep it up, Phoebe Jane. Mrs Green, Mrs Moss, Mrs Grace and Miss Hoogan are very, very proud of you. Our second award this week is for you, Annabelle, for your consistent desire and dedication to do your best. You apply yourself consistently across all curriculum areas, and you've shown a great understanding of 3D shapes and patterns, and your use of adverbs this week in English has been excellent. You've also been a very good friend this week, showing kindness when someone fell over. A big well done to you from Miss Hoogan, Mrs Grace, Mrs Moss and Mrs Green. Dear class have had an excellent week this week, but our first award is for you, Tyler, for your fantastic effort, participation and listening skills in the Olympia boxing sessions. You answered questions accurately with enthusiasm and listened carefully to the advice and instruction of the coaches. You really stood out as a knowledgeable and willing trainee. It was great to see you working hard and enjoying the session. A big well done to you, Tyler, from Mr Cook and from Miss Simpson. Second award this week is for Owen, who has been giving 100% in everything he has done. Owen, you've worked hard to write your own version of Theseus and the Minotaur, which made sense and followed the themes of the original. In maths, you're patient and sensible when working through problems. It's also been great to see your determination and work ethic in handball, making interceptions, running your socks off for your team. A big well done from Miss Simpson and Mr Cook. Now, Otter class has been working incredibly hard this week. The first person who has been rewarded this week is Archie for your excellent effort and enthusiasm in maths, which has been the dreaded fractions. Your increasing contribution to all lessons has been noticed, Archie, so well done to you. You're growing in confidence and we're looking forward to seeing you progress and for that to continue. Well done from Miss Mexter and from Mr Clark. Second award of the week is for you, Delta, for your excellent effort and enthusiasm in all subjects, for your contributions to every lesson and for your support of your fellow class members. You're growing in confidence and developing great leadership skills far beyond those expected of somebody in Year 4. A big well done to you from Mr Clark and from Miss Mexter. Now back to class this week. Our first award this week is presented to Kitty for your enthusiasm and infectious bubbliness. You participate in all lessons and make valuable contributions in class discussions. You are also becoming more reflective, taking time to review your work and make corrections. A big well done, Kitty, from Miss Bennett, Mrs Smith and Miss Webster. Second award this week is for you, Violina, for your confidence, which continues to grow and grow. After learning at home for so many weeks, you've returned to school with dedication and enthusiasm to learn. You are also taking ownership of your learning, actively participating in lessons. So well done to you, Violina, from Miss Bennett, Mrs Smith and Miss Webster. Moving to Fox class. There must be a theme running in the family this week because our first award in Fox class is for you, Lily, for the second week running. Lily, at the moment, the Fox team agree that you're absolutely on fire with your learning. Your dedication to all lessons is wonderful to see, and you're showing real confidence and character when giving answers. It's so lovely to see that confidence of yours soaring higher and higher each week. Keep it up, and that's a big well done from Mrs Taylor, Mrs Green and myself. Our second award this week is for you, Kobe, for the incredible demonstration of strength while performing a range of push-up styles in the boxing taster session on Wednesday. You were able to follow the directions clearly for increasingly challenging styles of those push-ups. A big well done to you from Mrs Taylor, Mrs Green, and again from myself. Now, just one birthday to celebrate this week, and that was for Dolly, who was a big 7 yesterday. A very happy birthday to you, Dolly. We hope you have a lovely, lovely day. Now, during our remote learning times, you may remember we set a competition to design the front cover of this month's Parish Magazine, and we're delighted to say that we had some incredible entries, and the team at the Parish Magazine was so grateful for all the different and varied contributions. Each and every child this week has received a prize for taking part, but we did have to choose an overall winner, and the team at the Parish Magazine chose Thomas for this beautiful design, which has been published on the front cover of each and every magazine that is going out. The idea that we came up with for the Parish Magazine is going to grow, and each and every month when we contribute to the school, to the magazine, we'll be asking you to design the cover on various different themes. A big well done to you, Thomas. We hope you enjoy spending your Amazon voucher that you received as your prize. Now, I was so proud this week to receive a letter as a result of some work of the children. You may remember during lockdown we asked for letters and pictures to cheer up some of the residents in local care homes, and also to keep the staff motivated and feeling loved and thanked. And this week we received a beautiful letter from the care company, who wanted to thank each and every one of the children who either designed the poster, or made a letter, or sent something out. We also got some personalised letters for some of the children, just to show how grateful they were to receive those. We do love getting involved in the community, and if you can think of any ways we can support at this time, please do let us know. We'd love to get involved. Now, the only way to finish off this week is to talk about our incredible Wednesday, when we had our coaches from Olympia Boxing come to the school and work with every single child and every single member of staff in the school. We had a fantastic day learning the skills, talking about the discipline, thinking about health and nutrition, and with some fantastic warm-up games, which I know the teachers will be pinching for their PE lessons. We're very grateful to Tommy and to Nathan, who came and ran the session for us. As a result, you will know that we are putting on a boxing club, which will start after the Easter break on a Monday evening. If you're interested, please fill in the form that we sent out on Parent Mail. Here you can see just a few more photos of the children enjoying their sessions, and we look forward to seeing more and more participation in this sport over the coming weeks. And who knows, maybe we've got our own little Tyson Fury or our own Anthony Joshua lurking in the Featherstone ring. Finally, say a big thank you for the Dressing Up Silly Day. We were able to make a donation of £111.54 to Comic Relief, which includes £15, which was raised by Kitty in Badge Class, who on Saturday, outside of school, ran a bake sale. So well done to you, Kitty, and thank you for all your contributions. Just a reminder, we're getting close to the Easter break, and we look forward to breaking up on Thursday, the 1st of April, when we'll be having a special day in school to celebrate the Easter break. So do join us then. Please do keep checking Parent Mail as we'll send out some information over the coming days. Finally, just a couple of quick reminders of different ways to stay in touch with us over the coming weeks. Thanks for joining us today. Have a fantastic and a safe weekend, and we look forward to joining you next week as we celebrate the end of Term 4. Take care. Bye bye.